Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the flip clock function in the Top Widgets application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the More Functions section, click on the Flip Clock button. And as you can see, it appeared, and it can be a useful function if you are studying and you want to see how much time you have left, or the same if you are working on some projects. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.